Let's make peppermint candy martinis. Hey y'all, this is Shay. Welcome back to my channel. My channel is about recipes, home decor, and entrepreneurship. So if you are interested in any of those things, like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can always be notified when I have new recipes or home decor or entrepreneurship. So let's get into this video. Okay y'all, so we're getting ready to make this peppermint martini. You know, it's Christmas time. I thought this would be a fun, festive thing. You guys are gonna have parties, Christmas parties, or little things, or just if you just want a cocktail at your house and you want it kind of festive. So we're gonna do peppermint. So I got some peppermints here because we're gonna garnish our rim with peppermints. So we're just gonna put them in a plastic Ziploc bag, and you just take a rolling pin, beat them down until they get into little pieces. You have your crushed peppermint. We're gonna take a plate. We're gonna move this to the side. We're gonna take a plate, and I'm going to use honey, but you can use anything that will stick, that the peppermints will stick on. So I just have some honey here. And I'm gonna kind of swirl, and then I'm gonna take our martini glass, and I'm just gonna go around the martini glass like so. And this will make 2 martinis. So we're gonna take it and just let it get all wet. And then we're gonna take our, make sure you have a good amount on all sides, our crushed pieces of peppermint. I'm gonna take that glass and we're just gonna try to put our crushed, something like that. And we're gonna do the other glass. So pay attention, this is gonna go really quickly. So we have some vodka. So we have 3 ounces of vodka. Whatever your choice is. Of course, you'll crush your ice. Like I said, this makes 3 peppermint candy martinis. We're gonna put a little bit of vanilla in there, or you can get vanilla vodka if you have it. I don't have vanilla vodka, I just had regular vodka. So I'm just gonna put a tablespoon of vanilla in there. We're gonna use some cranberry juice to give it that color that we want. Red color. And we're gonna do about 1/2 cup. A 1/2 cup of cranberry juice for the color. We're gonna take we're gonna have some pineapple juice. Pineapple juice is gonna give it more of a sweeter, kind of take some of that tartness out. So it's gonna give it a little bit of sweetness. And we're gonna do 1/4 cup of pineapple juice. And 1 ounce of peppermint syrup. Peppermint syrup. 1 ounce of that. That's gonna give it more of that peppermint taste. Start to cover the wrong thing. And then we're gonna go ahead and give it a little nice little shake in there. Bring our 2 glasses that are garnished with our peppermint candy back. See how easy this was, y'all? Wrong thing coming off. Pour it in there. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna do a little razzle dazzle with a little glitter. You know, give it that little razzle dazzle effect. Okay, y'all, so you see how I made them? They look so pretty. We put a little bit of sparkles in them, a little fairy dust in them. So now I'm gonna go in to taste this. It's gonna be great for your holiday festivity. Okay, let me tell you about it. With the candy on the outside, with the honey, you get that right away. So you get kind of sweetness from that candy cane, and then you kind of get a tart sweetness, and then like a little hint of the peppermint syrup that I put in there, and the vanilla really takes it off too, because that kind of sweetens it up, so it brings it all together. And even that honey on that rim, that makes it sweet too. So you're kind of getting, in this martini, you're getting a sweet, tart, refreshing candy cane festivity martini. Must make. To get this recipe and more, go to divinecuisine.com. So I'm gonna get ready to take my martini